Assalamualaikum, students of 9 and 10. Today I have tried my best to teach you how to learn phrasal verbs. In this situation, I hope you all are well. Stay home, stay safe. So our topic is phrasal verbs. Students of 9, it is your just beginner stage. You are just learning how to use phrasal verbs. Though students of 10, they knew very well how to change. So from the beginning, I will show you some examples and then I will give you some home tasks. How to change phrasal verbs? Remember, when you will change phrasal verbs, then you have to follow the tense properly. What is phrasal verbs? There is a word Tolerate, tolerate. There is a word Remember. Remember. Number 3, there is a word was born. There is a word meet, and there is a word expose. Now you see, these are the form. Tolerate, it means সহ্য করা, remember মনে করা, was born জন্মে ছিল, meet সাক্ষাৎ করা, expose প্রকাশ করা. Now the appropriate phrasal verb form is tolerate mean bear with, remember that's mean call up, was born that's mean come of জন্মগ্রহণ করা, meet that's mean সাক্ষাৎ করা, come across, and expose mean bring out. Now you have learned these 5 words and these 5 phrasal verbs. Now how to use in your sentence? Example, there is example, I can tolerate it. Now under the word tolerate, then what will the form? Then tolerate will change it to bear with. Then answer will be I can bear with it. Number 2, remember. Now I have remembered the fact. Suppose example, I have remembered the fact. Now remembered is in V3 form, present perfect tense. Now call, what is the V3 form of call? Called. The answer will be I have called up, CALLED, I have called up the fact. Number 3, was born. Suppose he was born in a rich family. Now under the word was born. Then what is the appropriate phrasal verb? Was born, come out. But as was is a past form, then what is the past form? Come. So past form is came. Then answer will be he came off in a rich family. Number 4, there is a word meet. Appropriate verb meet. Now another example, meet. I meet my friend. Under word meet. Then what will be the appropriate phrasal verb meet? There is a word come across. That is in simple present tense. Then there will be no change. So I come across my friend. Okay. Then meet change into come across. Last example, bring out and expose. There is an example, I want to expose my thoughts. Now under the word expose. In your exam, it is said that now change or find out the appropriate phrasal verb. Now expose will change into bring out. Then I want to bring out my friend. Okay, I will stop today. That's all. Thank you. If you have any question, then ask me. Let's start.